how to buy Modal AI token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rules and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. This token it's available or it will be listed on MEXC. So now I will show you how to buy this token. So first of all, open your MEXC account. Now if you don't have an account to MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account to MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now click on the search bar and type the token name. It will be the Modal AI. So after that, click on this pair. As you can see, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now click on limits here, as you can see. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token, and click on buy Modal AI. So this is how to buy Modal AI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.